Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Luxury Vehicle, where we celebrate automotive perfection. Today, we're diving into the epitome of luxury and craftsmanship of the Rolls-Royce Phantom. A car that doesn't just transport you but elevates you to an entirely different realm of motoring. Let's explore why this car is the ultimate statement of success. The Phantom is a masterpiece of design, blending timeless elegance with modern touches. Up front, the iconic Pantheon grille is subtly illuminated, a nod to its status as the pinnacle of automotive luxury. And, of course, the Spirit of Ecstasy takes pride of place, now electronically retractable for added security. The proportions are classic Rolls-Royce: a long hood, short overhangs, and rear-hinged coach doors. This is a car that commands attention from every angle. Step inside, and you're welcomed into a sanctuary of unrivaled comfort. Every surface you touch is crafted from the finest materials, be it leather, wood, or even custom inlays. The Starlight headliner now offers dynamic configurations, including shooting stars, and the rear seats are more customizable than ever, featuring a reclining lounge option with built-in massagers and ventilation. And then there's the attention to detail. Rolls-Royce offers a bespoke gallery feature, allowing owners to display custom artwork behind glass. This truly makes each Phantom unique. While luxury takes center stage, the Phantom is no stranger to cutting-edge technology. The digital instrument cluster is seamlessly integrated, providing all the information you need with unparalleled clarity. Rolls-Royce's bespoke infotainment system is discreet yet highly functional, and rear passengers can enjoy fold-out theater screens with 5G connectivity. Advanced noise-cancelling technology ensures the cabin remains whisper quiet, even at highway speeds. And the signature magic carpet ride is now more refined than ever, with predictive suspension that scans the road ahead. Under the hood, you'll find a 6.75-litre V12 engine, delivering effortless power and a refined surge of torque. It's not about speed, it's about grace. The Phantom wafts along with unparalleled smoothness, and thanks to its adaptive suspension, it glides over imperfections like they don't exist. The steering is light yet precise, perfect for city maneuvering or grand touring. And for those who prefer being chauffeured, the rear wheel steering ensures tighter turns and greater agility. No two Phantoms are the same. Rolls-Royce offers an unmatched level of customization, from monogrammed headrests to hand-painted pinstripes by their in-house artist. If you can dream it, they can create it. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom is more than a car, it's a symbol of achievement, a testament to unparalleled craftsmanship, and a beacon of luxury. Whether you're behind the wheel or relaxing in the rear, it redefines what's possible in the automotive world. Thank you for joining us on this journey into luxury. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments. So what would your dream Rolls-Royce look like? Until next time, drive safe and stay inspired.